Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in today's video I'm going to share with you how you can actually charge your JBL Tune 520BT. It's nothing difficult and it's really simple. So what you have to do is we have to locate and find the port for charging, and where it is that you're gonna have for the right earbud, or like the ear is going to be right here. So it's hidden, it's going to be right here. And then what you have to do is just plug it in and then add it to your computer USB port or adapter that you have. Now I'm going to show you right here when I'm going to put it right there, and it's going to charge. And to know that it's charging, you're going to have this red light near the power on, power off button, and that's how it works. So thank you very much for watching. If you can have any questions, let me down below in the comments. And this is how you can charge the JBL Tune 520BT. Have a great day and goodbye.